Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Google Gallery app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts from your Gallery app and you wish to permanently stop them, then let me show you how you can do it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to access Gallery app info page. You can do this by just long pressing on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see settings or the name of the app. Tap on it to access its app info page. Here, go to permissions section and under permissions head to notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are enabled. To disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications option. From now henceforth, you never again receive alerts or notifications from Gallery app. So that's how you can permanently stop Gallery app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.